I'm Dawson with Stanley Assembly Technologies, and I work in our Engineered Application Systems group. We build multi-system and multi-spindle machines for like our friends at Freightliner. Before Freightliner had a Stanley wheel lug multiple, they were having the very arduous task of using a pneumatic gun and a large click wrench to make sure their wheels were secure. Our 10-spindle machines safely and rapidly put on wheel lugs on all their model trucks. What I'm looking at today is a high torque A53 right angle tool, and off to my side here is a cobot application we've built that builds seat fixtures. So Stanley Assembly Technologies offers a wide variety of automated solutions and assembly solutions to help with those more challenging applications that you might have out there. Visit us at stanleyassembly.com for more information.